Hello everyone. So today we'll be demonstrating how to apply Co-Wraps. So Co-Wraps, in this we have two components. One is the calf component and one is the foot component. So first let's see what's in this box for the calf component. So it has got an inelastic compression wrap, that is the calf component in this, a pair of liner and a moisturizer. So let's see how to apply Co-Wraps. So first start with wearing of the lining. So before putting on the liner, don't forget to apply a good moisturizer. So while applying the liner, see that there are no wrinkles. It should be a smooth transition, especially around the ankle. Ask your patient to keep his leg in the flexed position. Now let's check the calf component of the compression wrap. So this is the calf component. It has got a sleeve. Okay, so the leg has to be put through the sleeve all the way to the top. Now we'll see the foot component. It has got a foot component, that is the inelastic compression wrap, along with an extender in case you require extra compression at a particular point. So this is the foot component. Now Co-Wraps has got markings of class 2, class 3 and class 4. Similar markings are there on the calf component, so you can adjust the wrap as per the required compression. So first see that the foot component is snugly fit and the heel part is free through the hole. First apply all the straps in a loose fashion just to adjust the size and to see that it is sufficient. Then from below adjust straps one by one as per the prescribed compression. So you can see the markings here, that is the class 2, 3 and 4. Class 2, 3 and 4. So based on this you need to pull the strap and fix it onto the class that is advised. Then pull the strap again, adjusting it to the required compression. Okay, so see that there are no wrinkles anywhere. If there are wrinkles, adjust the compression wrap. It can be adjusted above or below. Thank you.